All right, friends, I am starting with a single layer 6-inch round. I'm cutting out the ears, and then the middle piece is going to be the bow tie. I'm just shaping them up a little bit more because I didn't cut the templates out, even though they're available on my Facebook page, Raise Bakes. And I'm just carving more of a bow tie shape because I'm extra. You guys been here long enough, y'all know how I am. So now I'm just making sure that the ears fit nice, and then I'm just gonna slap a nice little crumb coat on it once I get it all assembled. So now I just rolled some fondant out to cut out the center part of the rabbit's ears. I chose purple. You can use any color that you wish, obviously. And then I decided to cover the bow tie with some fondant. It was just a last minute decision. I had a little piece of purple-ish fondant left, so that's what I used. And now I'm getting the grass tip is in my silicone piping bag, which I love silicone piping bags. And now we're gonna put some fur on our little Easter bunny. So now I am going to use some fondant to make some of the facial features. For the whiskers, I used black food coloring powder and some spaghetti. So super cute. I decided to spruce up his bow tie a little bit and add some candy sprinkled dots. And I had these little Easter sprinkles that are like little chicks and little rabbits and little eggs. So I went a little bit extra, but it was still kind of cute.